Hello everyone, my name is Angel Moret. I am a YouTuber, beauty influencer, model, fashionista, artist, and many more things. I'm going to be showing you guys today a ton of good pieces that you guys need for summer, from strapless bras to bold colors to mesh to breathable fabrics, everything that you guys are going to be needing for this summer. Everybody has been locked up, so this is the first summer that we're going to have that we can actually go out. I'm from LA, I don't know about you guys, but in LA it gets so hot. This summer ain't gonna be a hot girl summer. This summer is gonna be a cool, sexy, savage summer. And let me tell you why you guys need this summer survival guide. First of all, during summer, you're gonna be going to barbecues, kickbacks, parties, beach days, and you want to make sure that you're very comfortable underneath all of that. So you're not even thinking about your undergarments or what's happening underneath. You're enjoying and being present in the moment. You guys know I love dressing up, and I'm also going to show you guys a couple fashion statements, some little looks that you guys can put on top of your lingerie during the summer as well. So let's jump right into this video. I cannot wait for you guys to see what I have planned. Ready, set, go. So we are gonna go with our first category, which is neutral lingerie. The first neutral I have on is this purple lavender floral and lace and mesh bralette. So cute with the matching underwear. What do I feel like is an unexpected neutral? I think a color like lavender or a baby pink. Those are very neutral colors, but you might not expect them. The neutrals are a summer must-have because you are gonna be wearing tons of things that are very breezy, flowy, chill, and you don't want something under to be too bold that it's peering through. So you're gonna need to have your neutrals just to really balance that out for you. And how I survived this summer in this product, this is such a breathable, light material. Like you can wear this every day and not even feel like you're doing too much or like you're uncomfy. Like this is just the most comfiest, easiest product to wear. And I love that this doesn't have any wiring. It's a very comfy bralette. Like bralettes are just so go-to for the summer. I feel like you cannot go wrong with them. So you might be wondering right now, what should I wear with my neutral? Well, I'm gonna show you guys. This is this cute white dress that is one of my samples for my online store. Literally, it's so perfect for something like this, where it's white and you don't wanna wear something maybe that's black or that's white. You wanna wear something lavender so you can't really see it, but you know that you're still very secure and comfy in your outfit. Another thing that I love about this neutral is that the spaghetti straps are so thin that you can still wear it under your dress, but it's not gonna overbear any type of strap. It's so thin. I love that this is such a thin material that it doesn't take anything away from the ruching here. It's so good together. A couple more neutrals I wanted to show you guys that I'm absolutely obsessed with. One is this chocolate colored bra. It has like a cute little Savage X. And it has the strapless vibe, so you can actually remove these and it can become strapless, which would work really well with this top as well. And I love that it is brown, and sometimes you want to wear blacks under your clothes, but a brown is going to always be just as good, and I feel like it just adds an extra little touch to it. This one's so cute, so soft. And this is another one very similar to the lavender one I'm wearing, where you can wear lingerie without really feeling like you're wearing anything at all, and I feel like that's really nice and classy and timeless. That is all for my neutral colored beauties. I'm so thankful for these in particular because they have literally saved me for the summer. So I'm wearing this really cute t-shirt bra in acid lime. You guys, I'm obsessed with this color from Savage. If you guys ever seen my first Savage campaign photos, then you guys know you need bold colored lingerie. And I feel like bold colored lingerie is just such a statement that it speaks for itself. Like if you didn't want to wear anything, you wouldn't have to. Or if you want to just style your outfit and then you take off your lingerie for your boot thing later, and he's like, it comes in handy. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I would pair with a very bold colored lingerie. So let's say you're going to a pool party, but you ain't getting into the pool because you just got your hair did. So you just are at the pool party, you know, chilling around with your friends. You know, you're looking around, seeing all the good bays that are out there, and this is what you would want to wear. Something where you can literally see the lingerie because it's a bold statement, but also you're still covered. I'm going to show you guys a couple more Savage X Fenty bold color neon lingeries that I'm in love with. This one is so cute. It's like a very soft kind of jersey material, teal colored bra. I'm in love with it. This would be super cute under something like this, or even just a top, just to really pop through. This would really compliment you if you were at an oceanside or if you're at a pool party, because this type of bra color will match the pool perfectly. This is also such a cute piece. This set is such a beautiful tone of blue, and it also has this really cute Savage X Fenty gold charm that I'm obsessed with, and a very cute mesh bottom that goes. And this piece is also great for the summer. I just feel like it's more breathable. If you aren't into wearing something with a whole lot of lining and support, this is your go-to right here. And on top of that, you get something for a fashion accessory as well, because it kind of crosses over. So the next category that we have for my summer survival guide is going to be strapless. Now, I cannot stress how important strapless bras are during summer, because you're going to be wearing tube tops, strapless dresses, things of that nature. You don't want to wear a bra that's going to be showing out of your strapless dress. So that's why strapless is so important. And I'm going to be showing you guys, this is literally my favorite thing that I think Savage has ever dropped. I'm obsessed. So it's a panty and a bra, but then there's like this little skirt that goes on top. And I mean, this in itself is already an outfit. Like if you wear pasties like I'm wearing, and or you can put another type of bra under it as well. I have this strapless bra in honey nude under that's just so perfect because this is see-through. So wearing this honey nude under actually gives this an opportunity to just be an outfit. And altogether, this is literally the perfect little summer outfit. Pull up to the pool party in this, you're going to be having everybody staring at you. They're gonna be like, that girl is a savage. What I love about this too is it's also very breathable, and what else do you need besides a perfect strapless bra that's going to make your boobies look good? It's gonna hold them up, support them, but also has its own little design going on and pattern, so it could actually be a statement of its own. So I'm very full in the breast area, as you guys can see. So sometimes I have a difficult time wanting to wear strapless things because I feel like I'm not really supported. So what I love about this is that I'm very supported in both of these strapless bras and just by wearing one. So let's say I want to wear this cute little pink little vintage top. I thrifted so nicely under there, you can't even see it, and I still feel very supported. Like if I moved around a lot, I'd be fine. During the summer, you don't want any tan lines, so a strapless bra is definitely coming in handy. Hence why I love my Savage X Fenty strapless bras so much. For my next category, I have the wireless, and I am wearing the Broderie bombshell bra in white and the matching undie. So cute. I am obsessed with this. I think this is one of my favorite lingeries that Savage has ever dropped. Having a wireless bra is just so convenient. I sometimes don't like having something pushing up against me right here. It kind of can be painful. We trying to have a hot girl summer, not a heartburn summer. I also have it in yellow, and this one is so cute and so summery. I feel like I literally look like the sun. A wireless bra is a part of my summer survival guide because sometimes during the summer, you guys might be going on a hike. You don't want to have any wire hitting on your rib cage sometimes. Sometimes you want to just let your girls be a little free. So I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite wireless bras that Savage X Fenty carries. First one being the bombshell Broderie that I am wearing. I'm in love with this and all the colors that it comes with. It is such a unique style and it's so sexy and timeless. Definitely one of my go-tos. I also love this one, and this one is in purple lavender, and this one's so cute, and this has literally nothing in it, just pure lace. Now I'm going to show you guys what I would wear pairing up my white one. So I'm going to be throwing on this oversized sweater vest. Alright, so this is kind of an unexpected way to style the wireless bra, but what I love about it is like as I turn to the side, you kind of get the piers of this really cute little lace moment inside, and I'm also very supported. This is already a very cozy type of thing to wear, very loose, and pairing it with something that is a wireless, also comfy thing is very nice and sleek feeling. And I just feel like this is such a little Look. Something else you can wear with this is this cute little fuzzy cropped cardigan. I love this outfit because I feel like this cardigan on its own is just like, So having this little moment where this kind of white lace can kind of peer out is so cute, and I just think complements this top so well. Even if you wanted to just hold it open like this, I just think that it's just a great way that you can pair something that is very simple with something that's a little bit detailed and fun, and really make something like work. So next up we have the best breathable fabrics, the best breathable materials, because you guys know it be so hot during summer and you don't want anything that's sticking to you. Maybe right now is not the best time to wear like a latex lingerie. This terry material is super breathable and light. I love it, and it almost reminds me of like a towel, so you can never really not be able to breathe through this. And on top of that, this is in the color Patima Green. I feel like it's so vibrant and colorful, perfect for the summer. And this also comes in black as well, and it also has these cute side ties. And what I like about this is that this can be worn literally as is. Like if you pulled up to a pool party in this, you would be feeling so cute the whole day, and I just think it's great. I'm gonna try on one more of my other favorite breathable materials real quick. So this is also another one of my favorite cotton essentials, and this one is a bralette in lavender. So this one is made out of a jersey cotton material, and it has a beautiful lace trim. I'm actually obsessed with this one. I feel like this one is the most breathable, lightweight lingerie that you can wear. Super comfy and cozy. And another thing I love that Savage just got, and if you guys are celebrating Pride this month, let's celebrate together with this look. So this one is so cute, rainbow detailing for Pride Month. If you guys are celebrating Pride like myself, you need to get to it and get this up. They have the little rainbow X and also this cute little rainbow drawstring tie. Let's say you're just going out really quick, you need to go run to the store to go pick up some drinks that you're gonna be making for your friends, or you know, you need to just run out the house and go pick up one of your friends. She got a little wasted at the party last night. You could just throw your little Pride, little flock logo set on, run out the house with your little boots or your little slippers, and you're ready to go. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today and watching my summer survival guide. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love filming it. Make sure that you guys subscribe to Savage X Fenty's channel, and also subscribe to my channel at Angel Moret, and give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below on what your summer survival hacks are, or what you guys are planning to do for the summer. And I'm gonna go from my account and I'm gonna go look. I'm gonna go find those good comments and reply to some of you guys. Thank you so much, Savage X Fenty, also for this opportunity. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon.